I love coconut pastries, and in this video I am sharing with you how I made my coconut macaroons. So I used 2 dried coconuts. I remove the flesh from the shell, then I remove the brown thing that is at the back of the coconut flesh, and then I wash the flesh, of course, cut them up, and then I put them into a food processor. And I did not shred them. I more like grated them. You can shred them if you want. Then I scrape out the grated coconut onto a cookie sheet. I preheated an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I placed the grated coconut into the oven for 10 minutes just to dry out the coconut, because I want the texture of the grated coconut to be like lightweight. So I want to get rid of the coconut milk. So this is 3 cups of grated, or should I say dried grated coconut. This is 1/3 cup of butter at room temperature that I use a mixer to blend out or mix out, or whatever the term is. As you can see in the video, and the butter is all over the place. Well, not all over the place, but all over in the container. Anyway, nothing wrong still. To the butter I added 1/3 cup granulated sugar, as well as 1/3 cup brown sugar. If you like your pastries sweet, then add more sugar. Then I go in again with the mixer just to combine the ingredients. So I am using 2 eggs. I remove the eyes, and then I am adding the eggs one at a time. In this container is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To the flour I added a pinch of salt. That is about 1/8 teaspoon, and then I added the 3 cups of dried grated coconut. I give it a good stir. So now I am adding the flour, the coconut, and the salt mixture to the egg mixture. I started out by using the mixer, but I decided to use my favorite spoon, so you'll see me using my favorite spoon. The goal is to keep the dough sticky, so you don't want a runny dough. So yeah man, as I mentioned before, I am using my favorite spoon. So now I am folding and cutting, and I am doing that until the mixture is fully incorporated. So now I am adding a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and that's all the spices that I am using, because I don't want the macaroons to taste I don't want to taste the spices in the macaroons. I put a piece of grease paper on a cookie sheet, and then I use a teaspoon to drop the dough onto the grease sheet, and then I use my hand to kind of sort of form them into shape. And this is the Jamaican version of coconut macaroons. This is how we do it. We put flour into our macaroons. And then I am going to put just a little piece of cherry on top of each macaroon. And I should have mentioned this before, but preheat an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you place the macaroon into the oven and bake for 12 minutes. So after 12 minutes, the macaroons baked, and there you go, the Jamaican version of coconut macaroons. Kind of sort of crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. It should be extremely chewy on the inside, and you should be able to taste the coconut. And I'm telling you, I love this so much. Man, I love it. Yes, man. Jamaican coconut macaroons. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel and click the post notification bell